Hello, everyone. I'm Michelle Goldstein, and I'm so excited to share with you this incredible opportunity. We have a brand new 14-day Power Yoga Challenge, Strength, Grace, and Flow, exclusively at the studio at Heart Alchemy Yoga Online. Join me and thousands of others on this 14-day journey to the center of the heart. This is 14 days of full power yoga practices. Each one you will be guided through a beautiful and unique sequence that will get you sweaty, breathing, dialed in, and feeling amazing. Each practice is designed to strengthen your body, increase mobility, as well as increase stability in the body and calm your mind. By the end of the 14 days, you'll not only feel more balanced, energized, strong, and open in your body, but you'll also have a newfound sense of confidence in your yoga practice. So why join the Heart Alchemy Yoga Studio? When you sign up for an all-access pass, you'll get unlimited access to over 150 yoga practices, meditation videos, and series, including many full-length 60-minute yoga practices. You'll also get unlimited access to special courses like Flow Fundamentals, 7 Days to a New You, Yin Yoga Intensive, How to Fit Yoga into Any Schedule, Power Yoga Essentials. Our videos are accessible on any device, and you can practice at your own pace whenever and wherever you want. Plus, you'll be part of an inspiring and supportive community of like-minded yogis from around the world. Ready to take the challenge and transform your mind, body, and spirit? Click the link below to get your all-access Heart Alchemy Studio Pass. The first 50 all-access pass subscribers will also get the brand new 14-day Power Yoga Challenge, Strength, Grace, and Flow as an added bonus. Be sure to take advantage of this incredible opportunity to deepen your practice with me and experience all of the phenomenal benefits of power yoga. I cannot wait to see you on the mat.